Settima serie, appena partita la sesta. In partenza Lorenzo Massafra in 1, Schillese nuoterà in 2, Alberto Ruzzonne in 3, Davide Cudin in 4, Jacopo Stefanello in 5, Simone Binotto in 6, Luca Belviglieri in 7, Mattia Benettollo in 8.
Why can't she give some sort of sign? But you know, and I know a thing or two about loyalty. Ooh, but that girl don't pay no mind. So is it really my fault? I get a shiver when I see you.
Davico 58,80 per il centro nuoto Stra, vince lui questa serie. La